and welcome to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. This one is for the winter 2022 box, version 23 apparently. I don't know. I don't know the differences between all the boxes. It's literally labeled on a sticker there. So, opening it up, we've got our little booklet. This one is a Winter Wonders hashtag Walmart beauty box. And then it's always got like the little layout of things you could get. Time for a little TLC. Winter Radiance has arrived. Kick off a season of self-care with skin saviors, pampering picks, and hydrating hair heroes, all under $20 each. We've rounded up our faves to keep you feeling glowy all season long. Shop these must-haves and find ingredient information at walmart.com/beautybox. Each box contains at least 6 great finds. Assortments will vary based on your beauty profile. Now, they did have an upgrade option. I didn't get that because I didn't have the spare money to throw at it at the time since, you know, around Christmas time, everybody's pretty strapped and broke for buying all the gifts, so I just didn't have the extra to throw at it this time. But anyway, so first thing in here, I'm actually pretty excited to try. I thought it was something I already had at first, but no, this is a different version. So this is the Thayer's Cucumber Witch Hazel Toner. I didn't know they made a cucumber one. I'm like, oh, I am so intrigued. I knew about the regular one. I knew about the one with a rose. I did not know about this one. And now I'm like, how many do they make? I feel like they must make a lot. So this is just a little sample size. This one's 3 fluid ounces. Full size is 8.5 ounces and retails for $8, which is not bad. So if I end up liking this, I may very well buy that, because that's a pretty good deal. Then we have a couple of liquid IV packets, except these are Hydration Multiplier Plus Immune Support in Tangerine. So $10 will get you a 6 count of these, which isn't very much, but you know what? If you're sick and you need hydration, these are a freaking lifesaver. Oh my god. I'm glad that I had them on hand. Unfortunately, I had to give some of them to my mom the last time she was really sick. Literally saved the day, so I mean, you know, did the right thing. But rewarded for my efforts, because now I have 2 more from this beauty box. So always nice to have those, and tangerine sounds like it'll be really good. So, and then we have the Cetaphil Healing Ointment, which will be wonderful right now, because oh my god, my elbows are just in a sorry-ass state from how dry the air has been from the heaters being on just constantly. Full size of this is $10, and apparently this is the full size, so hey! Because I just looked at, what size is that? 3 ounces? Oh, this is 3 ounces! This is the full size! Cool! So this is the $10 product right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll gladly use. Then, from a brand called Heritage, H-A-I-R, this is the Call It a Night Satin Pillowcase. So it's just a 1 count, but it's also a $10 product. I think that means I now have 2 satin pillowcases. Are they the same color? No, but you know what? I don't care. Because I don't have to share a bed, so it doesn't matter if they match. But anyway, this is pretty nice. I like the satin pillowcases, especially somebody with long hair. So, because little known fact, if you don't have long hair and never have, when you get the long hair and you try to sleep, odds are you're going to be laying on it and it's going to tug. And it's going to hurt. But if you have a satin pillowcase, it kind of just like slips and slides and glides and does not do the painful thing, which is nice. So anyway, very glad to have that. What is this? Okay, so this is by a brand called Completely Bare. I've never heard of them before, but this is a completely smooth, moisturizing, no bump shave gel. So this is a sample size, 2 ounces. The full size is 6 ounces, and the full size is $12.79, so almost $13. But, yeah, that. With aloe vera and jojoba oil. Fresh scent. Here's an amazingly smooth, here's the scoop. Have amazingly smooth moves with our gentle no bump shave gel. Completely smooth, not only gives you an incredibly close shave, but also helps keep ingrown hairs and bumps at bay. Plant and floral extracts help condition and smooth the skin. Our special blend of essential oils create a protective moisture barrier for longer lasting hydration. Eco-friendly beads dissolve instantly when applied to skin, allowing all moisture benefits to be easily absorbed, and chamomile extract helps soothe skin and prevent irritation. Alright, I mean, definitely can use that. So that is a thing. And then finally, we've got a mascara in here. Ooh. So this is a CoverGirl one. And it's the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. This is like $10, and obviously full size. So this is a primer, a serum, and a mascara all in one. So they claim this is their before and after picture. But isn't it funny that pretty much no matter what mascara they're hawking, the before and afters always look like the same product has been used every time? Just me? Dunno. But they claim instantly plumps and volumizes lashes and gives thicker, longer, stronger lashes in 4 weeks. Has hyaluronic acid. Let's see. Get youthful-looking, plumped lashes with Simply Ageless 3-in-1 primer, serum, and mascara for thicker, longer, and stronger lashes in just 4 weeks. Infused with hyaluronic acid and bamboo serum. Instantly plumps and volumizes lashes. Soft curved brush coats every single lash for buildable volume and definition without clumping. Gentle and easy to remove formula treats lashes and lash line with care for less lash fallout. I don't know. I've always been very, very leery when it comes to lash serums, but given this one is literally in the mascara already, I don't know. Maybe, I mean, it's CoverGirl. I trust CoverGirl. Most of the ones that do lash serums are from like weird brands that I'm like, I don't know that I trust them, but I typically trust CoverGirl, so I might actually try this one. Usually the lash serums I've ended up like reselling and been like, nope, I'm kind of scared of it, especially after hearing horror stories. But this one I'm like, I'll watch some reviews first, but I think I'll be okay. I think I'll trust this one, so nice to have. But yeah, so that was everything in this box, which not bad, given how cheap even like the base Walmart beauty box is. That's honestly a good value if you ask me. So anyway, even without the upgrade, I'm pretty happy with what I got. So anywho, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.